To access the mass timber floor stream, simply click on the stream and you will be taken to the interface that pertains to that stream. You will notice that there are classifications here and each stream has its unique set of classifications and filters. The filters are specific product attributes that will allow the user to refine a broad range of products into a more narrow, comprehensive selection. This will allow for a more relevant search based on the user-defined criteria that you will select. We do have pre-selected default filters here, and the goal is to achieve a maximum product discoverability and to reduce navigation time. For the mass timber floor stream, the classifications are dimensional criteria, design criteria, and the available products. Within those classifications, we have different filters. For the dimensional criteria, the filters that we have in this stream are the structural system and the layup combination. If you hit the little drop-down menu here, you'll see what is included in the structural system. We have cross-laminated, and if you just slide here, you'll see what it is. It's the cross-laminated timber floor slab. And we also have the GLT, which is the glue laminated timber floor decking. And in the future, we will include others. Much like all other streams, once you hit on one of these filters, you will have a tooltip that will appear with a short description. And if you hit the Learn More, you will have a more detailed description of that filter. And this is true for every filter in every stream within the app. Let me close this here. For the layup combinations, what we have is, and again, if you just open up these arrows, you'll see all the choices that you have within all of those. We have the layup combinations of 3-ply, 5-ply, 7-ply, 9-ply, and then we have some decking here. And within that 7-ply, there's also the 10-ply that's included. For the design criteria, the filters that we have are appearance class, and within that class, we have architectural, industrial, and other. For the species, we have black spruce, and in the future, we're going to include SPF for other applications and other. We also have the stress class, and within that stress class, we have the E1, the ES11. And in the future, we're going to include some decking options as well as other options. And for product standards, we have several product standards, the ones that you see here on my screen. And for the product certification, we have all of these here. We have resource sustainability, ecological toxicity. We also have human toxicity, and within those, there are some subcategories, excuse me. And for testing evaluation, we have fire resistance, acoustic resistance, durability, and of course, we have other there that you can check off as well. And much like the other streams, we do have pre-selected filters. You'll see that they are here already pre-selected. If you would like to clear, what we have pre-selected for you, simply hit here on the Clear All Filters, and you'll see that all of the selections will be cleared. If you'd like to bring them back, simply hit the refresh, and those pre-selected filters will once again be applied. But of course, as you open these up, you can unselect them if you like, or you can add to the selection by clicking others in what is required for your project. I'm just going to go ahead and include some more layup combinations. Let me include a 7-ply and maybe a 9-ply as well. And you'll see here that my available products will automatically adjust to any of the filters that I choose. And then once you've had all of your filters chosen, you can then navigate the available products. Let me go ahead and just load all 3 into my project. And I'll do that by simply clicking here the selections, all of the selections here. And I'm going to go ahead and hit load. You'll have a pop-up letting you know that the floors have been successfully loaded into your project. I'm going to go ahead and say OK. And now that they are loaded into our project, we can come and navigate here into our project browser, open up our families folder, then open up the floors and the floors once again, and you will see that those 3 floor types are now loaded into your project. And you can use your preferred method to draw them simply by either clicking here and right-click and hit Create Instance, or you can come here into the Architecture tab, hit the floor, pick a floor, and in the drop-down menu here, you will see that those 3 floors are now available to use in your project. And that is the mass timber floor stream.